cast the screen of your Redmi Note 15 into your TV, first of all, you have to just make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Redmi Note 15 and on your TV. Without this one, you will be not able to be connected. Then also make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth. Now just turn on your TV and grab your Redmi Note 15, open the settings. Now you will have to go for more connectivity options and you have to go into the option called cast or wireless display. One of the following options. Let's go for the wireless display, for example. And here, as you can see, we have to wait until our wireless display will be available. If it is not working, you can go back and try to use cast feature. Now you have to turn it on by clicking on the switcher and just wait for a scanning process. Now just click on your TV, and when you will be connected, you will have to accept this notification that will appear on your screen. I don't have to because I'm already connected. I was already connected, and that's all for this video.